Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, this is Mehrun and today I've got you this look right here, which is for the upcoming Ramadan Eid. So even though I know we are going to be at home and will not be able to go out and have fun with friends and family, but still we would want to create some good memories, right? We will be spending it with families and friends virtually. So I hope you really like this look. I am in love with this eye makeup, you guys. This eye is such glossy, beautiful, colorful. It makes me feel happy. Color always makes me feel happy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you happen to recreate this on Eid or whenever you like, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. And before I forget, I am really sorry for not being consistent on YouTube, but I am really consistent on my Instagram stories. So if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you are missing out on a lot of stuff, alright? So I'm gonna pop up the Instagram handle on the screen right here. Please be sure to subscribe and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well so that you do not miss out on any upcoming videos. That was a long sentence. Phone, stop ringing. I hope you guys have an amazing Ramadan and a beautiful Eid. Happy Eid in advance. Take care, stay blessed and beautiful. Bye.